Underneath the toilet seat, you should find a bolt with a plastic nut. To unscrew the nut, first you could use your hand with a grip glove and then turn the nut in the anti-clockwise direction. If it turns, you're lucky. Otherwise, you will need to use a pliers. Try to grip the nut and turn it in the anti-clockwise direction as shown in here. Luckily, it starts turning. You will need to put a lot of effort to be able to turn this nut. And once it's loose enough, you can remove it completely using your hand. And then you will have to do the same for the other side. The other side can be in a very tight space with a very hard access. You can use your phone's camera or a mirror to be able to see the nut. If you were not able to remove the nut using pliers, then try to use Vise grips. And if it's still not possible to remove, then we can cut the plastic nut. For that, you can try to use an utility knife or a hacksaw if you're able to fit in the tight space. The thing that worked for me was a diagonal cutting pliers. After squeezing the nut with the cutting pliers many times, I was able to remove the nut piece by piece, and I was able to finally remove the nut completely. And now you can pull up the toilet seat and it should come out easily. This is the replacement toilet seat that I got. Press the two clips and then pull out the toilet seat to detach the bottom. Again, it's just not easy, but eventually it comes out. It also comes with a bolt, nut and a washer. First, remove the nut and then put the nut through the washer and then put it on the top of the adjustment sheet and then push it through the hinge base until you hear a click sound. Do the same for the other side. Clean the area around the two holes and now insert the whole thing into these two holes just like this. Make sure it is straight and aligned, and underneath the toilet you should see the bolt hanging out. But as you can see, it is too short and the plastic nut just doesn't go in. So just don't buy any toilet seats. You could see how long the original bolt was and how long is the bolt of the new toilet seat. The bolt diameter is M5 and it is 50 millimeter long. After lots of search, I was able to find M5 by 60 millimeters long. So I replaced the bolts that came with the toilet seat with 60 millimeters long bolts, and it's long enough for the nut to fit on. So turn the plastic nut clockwise with your hand, but don't tighten it completely. Loosely tighten the nut on the other side as well. Next, you would need to put the toilet seat by sliding it from all the way back and bottom in the forward direction. And then you should hear a clip sound. Now adjust the toilet seat to make sure it is properly aligned, and now tighten both the nuts until it's tight enough. This is now the brand new toilet seat with a soft close, and it wasn't as easy to replace the toilet seat as you would have imagined.